Hello, friends, and happy Wednesday. Let's go ahead and get started with circle time. I'm so glad you're here today. And let's say our Pledge of Allegiance. Are you ready? Here we go. Standing up. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. All right, let's take a look at the date. It is the 3rd day of June. We're getting so much closer to Miss Gracie's birthday. Let's sing our days of the week to figure out what day of the week it is. Are you ready? Here we go. Days of the week. 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 Sing it. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 And it is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2020. We have 2 more days of preschool. All right, and let's take a look at the weather. What kind of weather do we have outside today? Well, we predicted cloudy weather, and I think that was a very good prediction. It is cloudy out there today. Earlier, it looked like it was going to rain. What about tomorrow? What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? We'll put in our prediction square. Sunny, partly sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy. What do you think? Oh, I heard somebody say sunny. Go ahead and move that down there. All right, let's say our alphabet together, but let's whisper it. Are you ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, let's count to 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, let's count backwards from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome job this morning, friends. What color is fear? Purple. What color is the pony? Pink. What color is sadness? Blue. What color are the elephants? Gray. Excellent. What shape is this? Heart. Yes. And what's underneath the heart? What is this shape? Star. What is this one? Triangle. And this one over here is the oval. Awesome. Our nursery rhyme this week is mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush.
Mulberry bush. Come on, guys. I'm so happy you're here.
Sorry, Mary. I tripped over your teddy bear. Mary, what happened here?
I guess I was having a little too much fun to clean up.
But cleaning up is fun. It is. It how to dance. Come dance with us. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our clothes, wash our clothes, wash our clothes. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we make our bed, make our bed, make our bed. This is the way we make our bed so early Tuesday morning. This is the way we pick up our toys, pick up our toys, pick up our toys. This is the way we pick up our toys so early Wednesday morning. We make our bed on Tuesday, we pick up our toys on Wednesday. This is the way we scrub the floor, scrub the floor, scrub the floor. This is the way we scrub the floor so early Thursday morning. This is the way we fold our clothes, fold our clothes, fold our clothes. This is the way we fold our clothes so early Friday morning. We scrub the floor on Thursday, we fold our clothes on Friday. This is the way we sweep the house, sweep the house, sweep the house. This is the way we sweep the house so early Saturday morning. This is the way we bake our bread, bake our bread, bake our bread. This is the way we bake our bread so early Sunday morning. We sweep the house on Saturday, we bake our bread on Sunday. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. Ready for a treat?
So yummy. Wait, just a minute. There, all clean. Thanks for helping me clean up. It was fun.
Now let's eat. Which one do you guys want?
I kind of want to eat all of them.
All right. She's so silly that she wants to eat all of them. Let's move on to money. What's this brown one up here? Yes, penny. Here. Quarter. What's this one up here, the smaller one? Dime. And then we have a nickel. Let's go ahead and talk about numbers. What number is this? 4. 7. 1. 10. 2. 8. 6. 3. 5. 9. All right, we're working on making our numbers. Let's go ahead and get started with those. So our first number is the number 7. The number 7. So we need a little line across the top. Not you, Magic C. Little line across the top. And then we need a big line, and we're going to make it into a slide. That's exactly right. Good job. Grabbing everything but what I need. There we go. So we say, little line across the top, big slide down to make the number 7. Let's do it together. Ready? Fingers at the top. And we say, little line across the top, big slide down. And that is the number 7. Now, we want to make the number 8. Do you remember what letter is in the number 8? Yes, it's S. So first, we have to make the letter S. So let's go ahead and make the letter S. That Magic C just keeps wanting to come and play with me. So here is the letter S. But is that what we're making today? No, we're making 8. So I made the letter S. Now I'm going to grab another curve. Little curve and put it at the bottom. And I'm going to grab another little curve and put it at the top. And I've made the number 8. Good. We start at the top and we say little curve to make the letter S. But then we keep on going back up and we say little curve. And that is the number 8. That's right. Great job, friends. But we're not done yet. We're going to make the number 9. Are you ready to make the number 9 with me? Okay, so there's our S. Let's get rid of that. We're going to take our little curve and put it at the top. And then we're going to put our big line down. And we're going to start at the top and we're going to say little curve, frog jump up, big line down. And that makes the number 9. Let's do it together. Are you ready? Here we go. Little curve, frog jump up, big line down. And what number is that? The number 9. Good job. That's exactly right. Well, I hope that you continue to practice making the numbers at home in letters. Let me show you one of your friends. It's Mr. Clark, and he is practicing writing. Look, he wrote his brother's name. Great job, Clark. That is amazing. How about we practice writing our numbers? So who is practicing writing and sends me a picture? I would be so happy. So let's practice writing 7, 8, and 9 and send me a picture so I can share it with your friends and everyone can see how hard everyone is working. All right? I love it. We will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. I'll see you for Circle Time and for Zoom. And we'll be doing our number bingo. Woohoo! See you then, friends. Bye.